Once upon a time in the land of aaaooo bouncy bouncy, hip, aaaooo bouncy bouncy, Christmas, people would gather together to celebrate the joyous occasion. They would decorate their homes with twinkling lights and colorful ornaments. Families would exchange gifts wrapping them in shiny paper with aaaooo bouncy bouncy bows on top. Children would eagerly wait for aaaooo bouncy bouncy Santa Claus to arrive, hoping he would leave presents under their aaaooo bouncy bouncy Christmas tree. Anna, aaaooo bouncy bouncy Christmas Eve, everyone would sing carols and enjoy delicious meals, savoring the festive spirit. The air was filled with love, laughter, and the sound of aaaooo bouncy bouncy jingle bells. It was a time when people expressed gratitude and kindness, spreading aaaooo bouncy bouncy cheer and warmth to one another. Eh, Christmas was truly a magical holiday, bringing happiness and togetherness to all.